In the overall value category, you're comparing boards that all run the 7800X3D perfectly fine, but differ in how polished and hassle-free the experience is. The main options here are MSI's MAG b650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, Gigabyte's b650 AORUS Elite AX V2 when pricing overlaps, and MSI's b650M Mortar Wi-Fi if you need micro ATX without dropping quality. At this level, performance is no longer the deciding factor. You're buying reliability, BIOS maturity, and good defaults. You want to install your parts, enable EXPO, and have the system behave normally without extra tuning. The AORUS Elite AX V2 can still fit here, especially when it's priced aggressively, but the board that consistently earns its reputation in this tier is the MSI MAG b650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The Tomahawk is designed around stability. The power delivery is comfortably above what the 7800X3D needs, the VRM cooling is effective, and memory compatibility is generally strong with common DDR5 kits. It also has a very practical I/O setup with enough USB ports, fast networking, and clean internal layout. This is the kind of board that doesn't try to stand out visually, but instead focuses on being dependable. For most people, that's exactly what you want from a motherboard. So, the overall best choice for the average 7800X3D user is the MSI MAG b650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. You pick this when you want a platform that feels finished and stable. It's a good match for mid-tower builds, it works well with standard air or liquid cooling setups, and it doesn't push you into paying for features you won't use. The limitations are clear. This is not a b650E board, so you're not getting PCIe 5.0 support for the graphics card. And if you want a very flashy motherboard with heavy RGB styling, this isn't that. It's practical by design. If your case is smaller, the MSI MAG b650M Mortar Wi-Fi is the best alternative here. It keeps the same design philosophy in a micro ATX form factor and works well in compact mid-towers without feeling like a downgrade. And if the Tomahawk is overpriced in your region, the AORUS Elite AX V2 is still a strong substitute as long as pricing makes sense.